A controversial vaccine mandate is going back to court, but could it go all the way up to the highest court in the land? Good evening, everyone. All healthcare workers in New York State must now have the COVID-19 vaccine if they want to stay on the job. The vast majority of medical workers have complied with that order. The statewide average is at 95%, a bit lower in this part of the state, 88% in Western New York, and in Wyoming County, that's down to 74%. Some healthcare workers sued the state. They want to use a religious exemption to avoid having to get vaccinated. A judge recently granted them a permanent injunction. The state is now appealing. Olivia Proya tonight looks into how long this legal battle could last.
A decision by a judge in Utica lets medical workers seek religious exemptions to the state's COVID-19 vaccine mandate.
So the lower federal court said that they cannot violate people's right to practice their religion.
But now the state is challenging that decision in a higher court through an appeal.
The appeal is saying, hey, maybe you can change your mind. These religious exemptions should not apply to the COVID vaccine.
The United States Court of Appeals Second Circuit will hear arguments on the issue in less than 2 weeks, something attorneys say is not the norm.
How long does it normally take?
6 months or more.
Oh, wow. So this is really expedited.
Yeah.
How unusual is that?
I would say I would call it very unusual.
And if one of the parties appeals the Court of Appeals decision, then this could be off to the United States Supreme Court. But the appealing party has to ask the Supreme Court to hear the case.
To get the Supreme Court to listen, the issue has got to be something that they feel is of sufficient import to the rest of the country.
So do you think whatever the decision the Court of Appeals makes, do you think that's likely to be disputed and possibly brought to the Supreme Court?
I think it is a very interesting constitutional issue, and the time is now for it to go up to the Supreme Court to be revisited.
Olivia Proya, 7 Eyewitness News.